Good afternoon, students. As we are studying the fourth chapter of maths, which is basic geometrical ideas, we will be studying the last exercise, which is circle. In our previous classes, we have discussed about point, line segment, ray, intersecting line, angles, polygon, triangle, curve, quadrilaterals. So the definition of circle will be like this. A circle is a simple shape consisting of those points in a plane that are given distance from a given point, the center. In our environment, you find many things that are round, a wheel, a bangle, a coin, etc. We use the round shape in many ways. It is easier to roll a heavy steel tube than to drag it. A circle is a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. It has some very special properties. So parts of a circle. Here is a circle with center C. A, P, B, M are points on the circle. You will see that CA, CP, CB equals to CM. Each of the segments CA, CP, CB, CM is radius of the circle. The radius is a line segment that connects the center to points on the circle. CP and CM are radii, such that CPM are in a line. PM is known as diameter of the circle. In origin, the center of a circle is the origin of a circle. The distance from the center of a circle to any point on it is the radius of the circle. Diameter, the longest distance from one end of the circle to the other. The diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. What is circumference? Circumference is the distance around the circle. Chord, a line segment within a circle that touches 2 points on the circle. Arc, a curved that line is part of the circumference of a circle. Arc, a curved line that is part of the circumference of a circle. What is a sector? Is like a slice of pure pie. You can see what is a sector of a circle. So today we have studied about circle, what is the radius, what is the center, what is the circumference, what is the diameter. So this is all about the parts of circle. So we have finished chapter 4, which is basic geometrical ideas. So what we have discussed in the entire chapter, let us see. A point determines a location. It is usually denoted by a capital letter. A line segment corresponds to the shortest distance between 2 points. The line segment joining points A and B is denoted by AB. A line is obtained when line segment like AB is extended on both sides indefinitely. It is denoted by AB or sometimes by a single small letter like L. Two distinct lines meeting at a point are called intersecting lines. Two lines in a plane are said to be parallel if they do not meet. A ray is a portion of line starting at a point and going in one direction endlessly. Any drawing, straight or non-straight, done without lifting the pencil may be called a curve. In this sense, a line is also a curve. A simple curve is one that does not cross itself. A curve is said to be closed if its ends are joined. Otherwise, it is said to be open. A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. Here, the line segments are the sides of the polygon. Any two sides with a common endpoint are adjacent sides. The meeting point of a pair of sides is called a vertex. The endpoints of the same side are adjacent vertices. The join of any two non-adjacent vertices is a diagonal. An angle made up of two rays starting from a common starting and initial point. Two rays OA and OB make angle AOB, or also called angle BOA. An angle leads to three divisions of a region. On the angle, the interior of the angle and the exterior of the angle. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. It should be named cyclically. In any quadrilateral ABCD, AB and DC and AD and BC are pairs of opposite sides. Angle A and angle C and angle B and angle D are pairs of opposite angles. Angle A is adjacent to B and D. Similar relations exist for other three angles. A circle is the path of a point moving at the same distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is the center. The fixed distance is the radius and the distance around the circle is the circumference. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any two points on the circle. A diameter is a chord passing through the center of the circle. A sector is the region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on side and a pair of radii on the other two sides. A segment of a circle is a region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc and chord. The diameter of a circle divides it into two semicircles.